Hey there everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. And on today's video of Zynga Poker, I'm gonna show you how to change your avatar. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So first thing first, open up your Zynga Poker, and on its main menu, you can see your profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. So go ahead and tap on your profile picture. Now you can see your profile picture and your profile name with bunch of various options in this screen. Now in order to change your avatar, tap on your profile avatar again. Now another page should pop up where you can see a list of avatars provided by the game. There are a bunch of different options to choose from, so go ahead and choose the one you like. Once you decided on your avatar, just tap on the green button that says equip on the red. Here I'm going to choose this pirate avatar. And just like that, my avatar has been changed. And you can change yours too by following the steps shown in the video. But if you have any confusion, feel free to leave your queries in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos as such. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss our future videos. Thanks for watching.